So, alright guys, this is it. This is the bike. I have to put the parts on. They have to be attached on the gas tank and the gas tank cap. And we're gonna start it by the end of this video, so you'll hear how it sounds. It's a really cool bike. It's been restored to the old, smallest, tiny details. Those have been made by me, like restored by me. The drum, brake drum, the engine cases, this decorative cover of the carburetor have been made by me. So now what we have to do is to put the parts on, and that's it. So we are about to put the gas cap on. Look at that. Look how much it changed the look. The next thing we have to do is to put the decorative panels on. Could you please give me the bolts? So let's see how much it changes the look. I'll be very, very careful. First bolt goes in here, and like this. I gotta be very, very careful and to get it right into the spot. And there it is. Yes. There it is. It looks fire. Alright. That's it. Looks pretty neat. Fits the whole picture of the bike perfectly. Now we have to put the next one, which is from this side. The same procedure goes here. We have to see how to align the holes, and then we screw it on. Yep, I got it. Now the next one. Well, that's it. It is such a beauty. I mean, this cover is not on here yet. It's gonna be assembled, but overall, I'm really satisfied. So now, the owner will start it for yeah, yeah, boy.
Hello and welcome again to Axel's Garage. This is the project I've been working on a couple of months ago. It's a Jawa 350 from 1973. You see those parts which I polished? Almost everything here is polished by me. I mean, the brake drum, the engine cover, the exhaust nuts, the decorative cover, the engine cap, and the side panels have been polished by me. I'm really proud I've worked on this bike. They're becoming more and more rare. I mean, the 350 one, even more rare are 250 models, but I really appreciate the time of working this. It's been a hell of a pain in the ass working on this one, but I'm really glad it turned out this good. So, I really wanted to make an update on this bike. Previously, when I filmed it, you remember it wasn't complete, a couple of parts were missing, and it also didn't run pretty well because of some electrical issues. Now it's fully complete. I'm really glad the owner gave me an opportunity to film it again. It's going dark, so I have to finish filming pretty soon. So, alright, I'll give you a quick update. I will film it from close-ups, so you'll see how it looks now. So, specifically this one, it's a lucky member of Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. I'll drop a couple of pictures of the owner riding it. I quite love how it looks. I mean, look at those white edges on the fender, on the mudguard. Also the white walls, they complete the bike so well. Lots of parts on this bike have been bought, lots of them have been restored, as the owner said. Lots of parts have been sent to be chromed, lots of them have been just coated with nickel. Specifically this one have been just painted. Those covers have been polished by me, brake drums have been polished by me. The kickstart lever, unfortunately, didn't survive that well because, you know, you always scratch it with your foot. That's why the lacquer from the surface, it's a bit scratched. It's not a problem, it can be repolished anytime. Well, as I said, this bike participated in Distinguished Gentleman's Ride 2019. I really wanted to be there on my Jawa 175, but it died. So, well, I've been sitting as a passenger on someone else's bike. So, I think that's it for this video. I guess the owner will let me ride it, or he'll ride it a little bit for the video. That's gonna be the end of it. So, thank you so much for watching.